Here we have a Polk audio subwoofer and the amplifier failed. It was the second amplifier for this cabinet. The first amplifier lasted about 3 years and the second about 4 years. After doing some research, I decided to use a different plate amplifier. Here's the old amplifier, Polk Audio. Dissatisfied with their amplifiers, so I'm going to install a Dayton SA100 into this cabinet. The dimensions of the Dayton are a little different than the enclosure hole here, so I'm going to have to modify the enclosure a little bit. I'll get back to you after I do some cutting on this enclosure and we'll install the Dayton amplifier. See you soon. Okay, we're back and we've got the Dayton SA100 installed. The amp's a little different because it's got some fins on the back. Cutting out the enclosure wasn't too bad. I only had to cut out a little bit of material to get the amplifier to fit. The whole job took about 3 hours. I tested it. It sounds good, and I think this amplifier will last a lot longer than the Polk amplifiers that I used before in this cabinet. It's got the same features, gain, frequency adjust, it's got an auto on feature, and of course the 180 degrees phase reversal. Low level frequency input. So I'm really satisfied with how this turned out, and I'll leave you with a little test video at the end of this, and thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon.